GC Queens, welcome back again to another GC content. If you are new here, hello, my name is Estelle. So today I'm going to be reviewing the new Natasha Denona's palette. I know you guys must have seen tons of tutorial on this palette, but I couldn't resist the urge to get it, and today I finally have it and I want to show you guys the looks I created with it. If you want to see how I achieved this look and one other look, then stick around. Thumbs up this video if you like it, and yeah, let's get straight into this whole look. Okay, bye. So this is the true color of what it looks like, because some of the cameras and tutorials I watched, they were all picking it too bright. So this is how it looks like. So that's what the palette looks like. So we are going to create some looks with it. If you are interested, I want to see the looks I created, then kindly stick around and let's do this tutorial together. If you are not subscribed, kindly subscribe and join the GC family. And yeah, I'll see you at the end of this video. So to prime my lid, I'll use the P. Louise in base 4, in number 4. So now I'll go in with True Copper. I'm going to use True Copper on my crease. I'm going to go in with Suntan. So I'll go in with Sundown. So going back with Suntan again. I'll go in with this brush and I'll pick. So sorry guys, this shade right here is called Magma. So this is the same shade we put above the crease, so I'm going to break that down here just to give that gradient effect. So on my lid, I'm going to go into this shade. It's called Silk. So I'm going to go into this high degree here and I'll place that here. So going back to the first brush I used, I'm going to pick Sundown and I'll just blend out here. It's called Magma. So I'm going to finish this eye and I'll be right back. So now we have the eyes like this. I'm going to go ahead and line my eyes. So I'm done with my face. I'm going to go under the eyes, and for my under eyes I'm going to go into this shade here, Magma. So this is the finished look for the first look. So this is it for the first look. We are going to hop straight now and do the second look. So stick around, it's not gonna take time. So for this eye look, so I'm going to start with Deep Dive. So this color blends in very well. It's giving me like a dark, very deep purple. I don't know, smoky dark purple. I don't know. I'm not good at colors, guys, but just know that they blend very well. Like, I'm going to go into this shade here. It's called Rich. I'm going to use that to blend out the edges. So I'll go back to that pillowy shade. I'm going to go into True Bronze. So moving into this rhodium, I'm going to use that just at the edge. So I'm going to line my eyes now. To smoke out my under eye, I'll go back to that shade. So my juicy queens, I'm going to put on my lashes, and yeah, I'll come back and tell you guys my final thoughts on this palette. So stick around, your girl is coming back. I'm going to go into Silk Hair, and I'm going to pop a little of that in my inner tear dot. Alright my queens, you can see the look I created with this palette. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me hop straight and tell you guys a little about this palette. If you're interested, this palette retails for $65, and if you're here in United Arab Emirates, this palette retails for 255 dirhams. And in here you have 15 shades. Some are matte, some are shimmer, and more of the colors are bronzy shades in them. You can use that to create different looks if you're on the go. And this palette, I would say, if you're someone who really like simple eye look, who really likes you know, natural type of look, this palette is good for you. I'm gonna swatch the shades for you guys. Of course, I have to do the routine so you guys can see what it's like if you're my skin tone. And I'll start with the first row, and then second row I'll do it that way so everyone will understand. The first one here is True Copper, then the second one is Suntan, the third one is Sundown, the fourth one is called Deep Dive, and the last one is called Rhodium. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. The second one is matte, the third one is also matte, and the fourth one is matte. Okay, so this is the second row. Okay, the first one is called Magma, this one. The second one is called High Degree. The third one is called Alloy. The fourth one is called Rich. Rich doesn't seem to appear very well on first swatch. And the fifth one is called True Bronze. So this is the last row. We have on the first row, we have this shade, it's called Gloaming. We have the second shade is called Palladium. We have the third shade is called Bliss. The fourth shade is called Silk. And we have the last one is called Beach. So this is the true color of this palette. Looks perfect, except for this shade right here, True Bronze. Is very soft, and you know how butter feels. So if you want to use it, you have to be very careful dipping your brush into it. If not, it will just pick that your brush will even sink in. I don't know if you guys get what I mean. And then for the matte shade, I believe they are going to appear very well on the lid if you are using a concealer. Alright my queens, that's it for this review slash tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Sorry if I didn't go as detailed as you want, but I just wanted, the most important thing is for you guys to see how these colors lay on the lid. The little I would say, if I have to add about this palette, is they are blendable. They feel very, 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 very easy to use. I feel I should tell you guys my thoughts on this. I love it very, very much. I love it. Okay, so that's it for this whole tutorial slash review. Thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you again in my next video. If you are not subscribed, subscribe and join the Juicy family. I'd love to have you here. I know you don't want me to beg, right? Just subscribe. Thank you. And I love you guys so much. You guys know that already. I love you, and I love you, and I love you. For the new and old subscribers, thank you. I love you guys. Bye bye.